Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover your Delta Exchange account password. If you forget your Delta Exchange account password, you cannot access your trades, funds or account setting. The Delta Exchange app provides a simple way to recover or reset your password on your phone, and you will need to access to the email link to your account, and here is a step-by-step guide to recover your password safely. First, unlock your phone and tap on the Delta Exchange app, and under this interface over here we can find to this login section. You need to type down your email or password, and if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is tap on the forgot password below the login, and over here select to this email, type down your email address and select get reset code. So over here you need to enter the 6-digit code sent to your Gmail account, and under this tap on this Delta Exchange forgot password code on the top and simply copy this code and go back to your Delta and paste it over here and simply type down your password and you can confirm on the bottom, and that is it. This is how you can recover your password on the Delta Exchange app, and recovering your password on the Delta Exchange app is simple and secure. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.